Hey guys, this is Paul. Hi! And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious Cordon Bleu chicken. I promise it'll be very easy. So let's see the ingredients. These are the ingredients we're gonna need. Chicken Milanese. Cheese. It can be manchego, mozzarella, or anyone that melts. Ham. Ground bread. Oil, salt and pepper, 1 egg, and all-purpose flour. Steps. The first thing we're gonna do is set the flour in a big plate, the ground bread in another, and in a third one, the egg. Next, we're gonna season the chicken with salt and pepper. If you want, you can also use parsley, garlic, or whatever you want. Don't use this! Place the ham and the cheese in the center of the chicken. And then roll it up like a burrito. Now we're gonna dip the chicken first on the flour, afterwards in the egg, and after that in the ground bread. Let's preheat a lot of oil, and once it's really hot, it's time to fry the chicken. Make sure your heat isn't too high or your chicken will burn outside and stay raw inside. So try to have it in a medium flame. We have to fry very well every side of the bread. And once it's ready, we'll set it aside on absorbing paper to absorb the excess oil. And now it's done! Let's serve it! Look how gorgeous it looks! The melted cheese, the chicken well cooked, and the bread so crispy. As you can see, it's delicious. To prove it, you'll see the next hidden camera images. And that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, please comment, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also follow me on all my social media. I'm gonna let all the links in the description below. And that's it. Thank you very much and see you next time. Goodbye. Woo!